Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the Whirlpool Dishwasher error code F4 E3, you're in the right place. This pesky code can really disrupt your routine, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. In this video, we'll cover what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it, all updated for 2025 models. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is error code F4 E3? In Whirlpool dishwashers, this code typically indicates a problem with the water heating system. Specifically, it points to an issue where the dishwasher isn't reaching the required water temperature for proper cleaning. You might notice your dishes coming out still dirty or the machine stopping mid-cycle. This is a common fault in modern appliances, especially if they're a few years old or haven't been maintained. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most frequent culprit is a faulty heating element. Over time, mineral buildup from hard water can damage this part, preventing it from working efficiently. Another possibility is a malfunctioning thermostat or thermistor, which monitors the water temperature. Wiring issues or a defective control board could also be to blame, particularly if your dishwasher has seen a lot of use. In some cases, it's as simple as a clogged filter or low water pressure affecting the heating process. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start by unplugging your dishwasher and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. Then, check the heating element for any visible damage or buildup. If it looks okay, inspect the filter and clean it thoroughly to ensure proper water flow. Next, test the thermostat with a multimeter if you're comfortable with basic tools. Replace it if it's not reading correctly. For wiring problems, carefully examine the connections and secure any loose wires. If these steps don't work, you might need to replace the heating element or control board. Parts are readily available online for 2025 models. Always remember to turn off the power before any repairs. In conclusion, fixing the F4 E3 error on your Whirlpool dishwasher can save you time and money. By following these steps, you should get your machine running smoothly again. If you're unsure or the problem persists, it's best to call a professional to avoid any risks. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home appliance tips. See you next time.